To delete a workspace in ClickUp, follow these steps. Log into ClickUp. Log into your ClickUp account using your credentials. Navigate to Workspace Settings. Click on your profile avatar at the bottom left corner of the screen. From the drop-down menu, select Settings. Access Workspace Settings. In the Settings page, click on Workspaces on the left-hand side menu. Select the workspace you want to delete from the list. Delete Workspace. Once you're on the Workspace Settings page, scroll down to find the Delete Workspace option. Click on Delete Workspace. Confirm deletion. You will be asked to confirm your action. Enter your password to verify that you are authorized to delete the workspace. After entering your password, ClickUp will ask you to confirm the deletion one more time. Click Delete Workspace to proceed. Final steps. Once the workspace is deleted, all associated tasks, projects, and data within the workspace will be permanently removed. Make sure to back up any necessary data before deleting to avoid loss of important information.